Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to send blank message in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.mtcharacter.com. Once you do so, you will end up in this page. So simply scroll down below and use any of the method to copy the blank white space. So once the blank white space is copied, all you need to do is simply go back and tap open your Messenger app. So once your Messenger app is opened, you need to select a chat to send the blank message. So once you select chat, simply paste the white space you had copied and hit the send button. Now you can see that a blank message has been sent in your chat that you had chosen before. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.